So in this short beginner's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a half double crochet. If you are brand new to crochet, be sure to check out the other videos in my How to Crochet for Absolute Beginners playlist, including the videos on how to hold your hook, how to hold your yarn, and how to do a slip knot. So in this video, I'll show you how to do a half double crochet. I'm using US crochet terminology, so this is also referred to as a half treble crochet in UK terminology. Half double crochet is a great little stitch, and it sort of sits in between a single crochet and a double crochet. So similarly to the double crochet, we're going to yarn over before we insert our hook into our stitch. So to yarn over, you just want to pull the yarn from behind your hook so it's draped over the top. Now we're going to insert our crochet hook into our stitch. So this is my first stitch here, this is my turning chain. So we're wanting to go in this gap here, and we're wanting to work under both prongs of the V of the stitch. So you see I've got a front prong and a back prong, and we're going underneath both of those prongs. I find it can be useful to hold this piece of yarn with your finger just to make sure it doesn't slip off when you're inserting your hook into the stitch. Then once you're in the stitch, you'll have two loops on the side of your hook, which is the loop we started with, the loop that we made when we yarned over, and then both prongs of the stitch that we've just inserted into. Now we want to catch the yarn in the head of our crochet hook here. So we do that by just twisting the crochet hook and pulling it down, and now we're going to pull this yarn through the stitch. So we come out the other side, and then we can come all the way up. Now you'll have 3 loops on your hook. Now we're going to yarn over again. So again, we want to drape the yarn from the back of our work over the top. And now we're going to pull this yarn through all 3 of these loops. I find it can be helpful to pull down on your work a little bit to create the space to pull your yarn through. You just want to pull the crochet hook through your work and on top. And that's a half double crochet. So again, we want to yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. You'll have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And that's a half double crochet.